In our first example, we will be multiplying 3/4 and 2/3. Multiplying fractions is as easy as multiplying the numerator, so we have 3 times 2, and multiplying the denominator, so we have 4 times 3. At this point, we shall simplify the fraction as much as possible by considering the highest common factor between numbers in the numerator and numbers in the denominator. I look and I see that I have 3 in my numerator and 3 in my denominator. The highest common factor between them is 3. So 3 into 3 is 1, and 3 into 3 is also 1. I look and I also have 2 in my numerator and 4 in my denominator. The highest common factor between these two numbers is 2. So 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2. Well, what am I left with? I'm left with 1 times 1, that is equal to 1, over 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. That's our answer. Our next example, we will be multiplying 8/10 and 2/5. Well, multiplying fractions, we multiply our numerator 8 times 2 and our denominator 10 times 5. I have 2 in my numerator and 10 in my denominator. The highest common factor between these two numbers is 2. So 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 10 is 5. The 8 in my numerator and the 5 in my denominator have no common factors. So I'm left with 8 times 1, which is 8, over 5 times 5, that is 25. That's our answer. Our next example, we will be multiplying 2 and 1/2 and 3 and 1/3. We have two mixed numbers, so we need to change them into improper fractions. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 on 2 times 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, this is 10 on 3. So since I'm multiplying, I multiply my numerator 5 times 10, and I multiply my denominator 2 times 3. I look and I see I have 2 in my denominator and 10 in my numerator. The highest common factor between them is 2. So 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 10 is 5. The 5 in my numerator and the 3 in my denominator have no common factors. So what am I left with? I'm left with 5 times 5, which is 25, divided by 1 times 3, that is 3. 25 on 3 is an improper fraction, so we can represent it as a mixed number. 3 into 25, that is equal to 8, remainder 1 on 3. Our next example, we will be multiplying 5 and 3/4 and 1 and 3/5. These are two mixed numbers. Let us change them into improper fractions. 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. 20 plus 3, so we get 23 on 4. 1 times 5, that is 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8 on 5. Multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. I notice I have 4 in my denominator and 8 in my numerator. The highest common factor between these two numbers is 4. So 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 8 is 2. 23 and 5 have no common factors, as well as 2 and 5. So what am I left with? 2 times 23, this is 46, divided by 1 times 5, this is 5. 46 and 5 is an improper fraction. Let's change it into a mixed number. 5 into 46, this is 9, a remainder of 1 on 5. Answer.